how to do the OLL case 2 step by step. So let's do this. You have to notice the OLL case 2 is formed by these yellow squares. You can see 3 up here, 2 at the left side and the right side, and 1 down here. Now I will show how to solve it. So I have to move these 2 layers like this. Now you move in this direction. Now you undo the 2 layers, do a double move here. You do again, double move. Now you go down with 1 layer, you do a double move. You undo, you return and go down. Now I will show it faster. Let's do this. R white U, R white prime, U2, R white U2, R prime, U2, R U prime, and R white prime. Subscribe to help me to do more contents for you, and comment below if you liked and if you want more contents like this. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.